In some cases, the animation tab is not showing in PowerPoint. You can see that I have animation tab over here. So now you can see that I have no animation tab now in the menu. So how you can fix it? So for this you need to right click on the bottom of the paragraph group and click on the customize the ribbon, and on the right side you will see that your main tabs, and now check it whether your animation tab check box is checked or unchecked. So my animation check box is unchecked, so you need to click that and click simply OK. And now you can see that the animation tab is back on the menu bar. So with this easy trick, you can see that why your animation tab is not appearing in the menu bar. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.